What's going on, guys? John with the ProCut out here at the Four Seasons porch job, and I'm extending out this door jamb because I've got a 2x6 studded wall, and all your box stocks doors are set for a 2x4 wall. So I had to extend the jamb out, so I simply got some 1x3 lumber, cut it down to 2 inches on the money, which is what I needed to add the space, and I've screwed it in place. And then down here at the floor, I've ordered this sill extension to go ahead and get that part extended out as well. Now I'm going to put the trim back on it, and I'll be able to go ahead and start siding out this side of the wall.